Hello everyone. This video session is the next part of the story The Meeting Pool by Ruskin Bond. I am beginning this story from the page 3rd of the textbook Prose and Fiction for BA Part 3rd, Paper 2nd, English Literature. Page 3rd, and the paragraph is of second paragraph. In the previous part of the story, we had learnt that the three friends, Soumi, Anil and Rusty, they used to play near a pool, and they did many mischiefs near a pool that was discovered by them. And among the playing activities, they made a fireworks explosion in the pool, and other activities at the pool were wrestling and buffalo riding. And the next part is it didn't really matter how muddy we got, so they played in the water of the pool very carelessly. It didn't really matter. It did not matter for them how muddy they became. How muddy means they were full of mud, because we had only to dive into the pool to wash off the mess. Because they had only to dive. Dive means to jump into the water. To wash off means to clean themselves out of the mess. Mess means dirt. They were only to jump into the water to clean from the mud. It was possible to get out of our houses undetected at night. If it was possible for them to come out of the house at night without noticed. Undetected means without noticed. If it was possible for them at night, they would also come there to the pool and bathe by the moonlight. They used to bathe even in the moonlight. We bathed silently. At the night time in moonlight, they used to bathe silently, because the stillness and airiness of the surrounding jungle seemed to discourage high spirits. Because the stillness and airy means feeling of mystery and fear. As they were in their student life, they were in their childhood, so they also had the feeling of mystery and fear of the surrounding jungle seemed to discourage high spirits. They believed that if they remained there still, there would not be the spirits in the atmosphere. We saw several snakes. They also saw there many snakes which came out to feed on the frogs that came out of their places to feed on the frogs that spent the summer nights in full-throated song. The frogs that spent the summer nights in full-throated song means they used to sing their song at night time in summer season. The snakes came out of their places to feed on the frogs. An impassive owl occasionally watched us from the branch of a big sal tree. An impassive means full of passions. Full of passions owl occasionally means many times watched us from the branch of a big sal tree. Sometimes Soumi would sing in a deep, pleasant voice. Sometimes Soumi would sing in a deep, pleasant voice, and we would float magnolia blossoms down the moonlit stream. And sometimes they used to float, they used to move. Magnolia blossoms is a kind of fragrant flower down the moonlit stream. Moonlit streams, the stream, the water of the stream that shone under the bright light of the moon, and they used to float, they used to move, the fragrant flowers on the water of the pool. In this way, they enjoyed in near the pool by moving or floating the fragrant flowers, or by giving notice to the other natural creatures as owl or frog or snakes. Sometimes they sang there, and they used their silently and enjoyed the atmosphere there at night time.